Hey everyone, if you're new to my channel, please join by hitting the subscribe button. I am Deja, and today in this video I'm going to show you how I simply organize my desk, part 1. So at the beginning of this video, I'm going to do a speed clean because my whole entire desk and the area around it needs to be really clean, because during the month of Christmas and the week after, it's a new year now, so that during that period of time, my whole desk just has been in shambles, hot mess, needs to be really have a deep clean and good fresh start to go for the new year. It is still January and it's the beginning of it, so I still have time to get my life situated so I can actually get a function desk so I can do stuff on my desk like it needs to be used for. So I'm going to, after this, not talk anymore so I can let you enjoy the video of me speed cleaning and then come back to you later on throughout the video. So hope you enjoy. So last year I made a recipe book and did not use it. It's a must that I use a recipe book this year. So last year I went to a Goodwill and I ended up finding this mail binding folder organizer, and it only cost me $5 for it, guys. $5. Love it. And also, if you go to your local Walmart, this probably costs like $20 for this, or even more than that. So they're really expensive. So go to your local Goodwill, and you never know what you'll find there. So just go there, shop, browse around, and see what you can find for a very cheap and affordable price, guys. I recently got this item this year at my local Dollar General store for $10. I know it's kind of seem like a little too much for $10, but it's going to be very helpful for me to get organized, like big stuff or other items that I can put in here that needs a place, or me needing to organize that item for. So I was trying to show you what the label was, so I'll just put the link down below in the description bar of what the item is, and basically know where I got it from. And I told you where I got it from. I'm gonna just go ahead and lay all information down below in the description bar. But yes, get your life organized, get your desk organized, get anything organized, planned, and together, because this year we're going to be organized, planned, motivated, and ready to go for this new year of 2020. Get it together. We're gonna get it. Now I'm dancing of excitement because I'm happy my desk is finally clean, and around my desk area is clean as well. I can now organize. I'm not organized 100% yet, but I'm getting close to it. Therefore, I gotta start planning and get my life back in order and organized. And I gotta start doing more craft projects from big and small that I've been needing and wanting to do. So leave a comment down below. What is your exciting moment that you got done as a big task for you, or a big project you've been trying to get done and need to get done from probably last year or even beginning of this year. So let me know down below in the comments and let me know. I would love to hear them. now I'm just showing you the overall look of my desk, how it looks now that it's clean and it's semi-organized. We're almost, like I just said, we're almost there, 90%, but we're getting close. And this is the end results of that, just a little close-up. So I hope you like it so far throughout this video. There is more to come. Therefore, right now, I'm just going to be decorating my desk just a little bit, not too much, just to get some ideas and thoughts of what I'm going to do for my actual desk, because there is going to be a part 2 of how I simply organize my desk. Also, that sign I got from Dollar Tree, and it says good things are coming. So go to local Dollar Tree and get you some good affordable signs for your desk or around your house for decorations that you can use for year long. I actually got these pins at the Target dollar spots at the planning section because they're made to be used for writing things down in general or to be used in writing things down in your planner. Also, like I've been saying throughout this whole entire video, please go to local stores because you never know what you will find when you walk into those stores. Like go to your local Walmart, Dollar Tree, Target, Dollar General, even Goodwill, and maybe even Food City. Just go to your local stores because like I've been saying, you never know what you won't find. Because out here for 2020, at least new year, we are trying to budget money and budget our life in order, because I don't got time to be spending more money knowing I can spend less. Who's out there? I know y'all with me on that. Spend less, because we don't got time for that. But also write down in the comments too if you ever went to a store and you thought these items going to be super expensive, but you actually got it for a good and cheap affordable price. And actually, what was that item that you got for affordable price? So let me know, like I've been always saying, because I really would love to hear what you actually got and how it turned out for you saving some money. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, this is VLOGTRIP.